look for clove powder. As you see, this is our clove. Okay, look for clove powder. So you need just 1/2 spoon of clove powder. This is enough because this is very strong. It's enough, guys. As you see, bring it here. Now look for me turmeric powder. Okay, these ingredients are easy to get and are very cheap. So go to nearby shops, markets, and buy turmeric powder. So we need also a little bit, okay, turmeric powder. So for this time, we're going to measure using this little bit. As you see, this is turmeric powder. Bring it here. Okay, we need cinnamon powder. Remember, I have put, yes, turmeric and cloves. Now we need cinnamon powder for our performance to become better. Little bit, guys. This is enough, as you see, because it's very strong. Bring it here. Yes. Then we need lemon, guys. We need lemon. Okay, we need lemon. So we're going to cut just 1/2 of it. We need lemon juice. Looks very well. We need hot boiled water. Then bring it here. Hot boiled water. As you see, mix again. We need natural honey. Natural honey to make it more interesting. Just 1 tablespoon of natural honey, and you come up with such amazing home remedy which will make you to be a real man during bedtime, guys. Trust me. So we are here, guys. Here we go. Just 1 spoon is enough. Natural honey, organic honey. So just 1 tablespoon is enough. As you see, guys, put it here. This is what you need to bring back your good performance, to be a real man during bedtime. Trust me, this will make you to be a real horse. No side effects, no overdose. Trust me, to cleanse your body, to make it stiff and strong, and you'll be going for hours and hours. So let me first test this home remedy, then we proceed. Very nice, very interesting. No overdose, no side effects. So I want you to take this home remedy every day on empty stomach. It means you take it when you have just woken up from your bed. Trust me, your performance will be back forever. This works permanently. So I want you to take it for 4 weeks. If possible, you can take it every day, less than 2 months. This is what you need, guys, to bring back a good performance.